friends. This called romantic and sentimental. So who's who? So Mr. Roman and Mrs. Lynette will pick or point or raise their shoe. Yeah, so they will raise each other's shoe if who's who. The game is who's who. So we ask a question and then you raise if for example if it's more on Lynette's side, then you raise Lynette's shoe, and then if it's in your so yeah, you get it. You get it. You get it, yes. So bagay na lang din.
They were gonna ask English question. Yeah.
Okay, you get it right?
You will not look at
Yes, you don't look at each other's face, okay? So I will ask a question and then you will raise either both or either. Okay, first question. Let me remind Mrs. Lynette, who's more likely to say I love you first? So you raise. Okay, so we have a same answer.
Okay, so for the second question, who's more likely to surprise the other with a romantic gesture?
Again, perfect. Okay, so next question, who's more likely to plan a surprise trip? Trip, a surprise trip, like a spontaneous trip, like let's go to the Titsy Beach, let's get it away. Okay, so you have no kilometer that you remind.
But he can answer both. He goes with the flow.
Yeah. You just go with the flow with Lynette's decision. So.
Okay, so the next question is, who's more likely to write a love letter?
Did she? Did I? What letter? Letter. Love letter. Like love letter?
So one.
Nobody.
What if?
Okay, moving on.
Okay, moving
She's
on.
much more romantic than I am.
Okay. So Lynette is more romantic now, as per Daddy Roman. Okay, next question.
Who's more likely to remember anniversaries and birthdays?
Okay, mas remembering
It's always the woman.
Gorgor, Daddy Roman, huh? Okay, next question. Who's more likely to initiate cuddling? Wala ni mong ingon Neil, you say that what?
No, I second the motion. So
Really?
you do
Or
it
you-
sometimes.
Oh, Daddy Roman, huh? You're not telling the truth. Daddy Roman, you're not telling the truth. You're lying.
Okay.
Oh, she's more often, but Okay, sige, next
Okay,
question.
next question is, who's more likely to be the first to apologize after an argument?
No argument.
No argument.
What if?
No cheating, no cheating. No coaching.
There's no argument. Okay.
Okay, there's no argument.
We
Sana.
would.
Witness
May
recorded.
mas ingay, ha? Okay. Okay, sige. Next question.
Okay, next question is, who's more likely to cry during a romantic movie?
So, Lynette is very emotional.
Really don't know. What did it want?
So, okay. So, we move on to the next question. For me, this is personal, ha?
Level up.
So, level up. So, who's more likely to initiate? Just initiate. Hypothetically. So, raise your...
Initiate what?
Just hypothetical. Initiate something. Random na, random. Who is the one who will the first to initiate? We don't know if it's romantic or sexual or anything. So maybe the both of you or what? You don't? Sige, both. Huwag mo kung ano yung isa, ha? Okay, so next,
Okay, the next
Topic
is about everyday life and habits.
so who's more likely to be late if there's an occasion? I think both of you are late. Since today you are late, guys. Charla. So the next thing.
Okay.
Next question.
Next question is, who's more likely to burn dinner? B-U-R-N.
Nobody.
Okay. Alright, so moving on. Who's more likely to leave their clothes on the floor?
Nobody.
Okay. Direct to the laundry bag.
Okay,
So
very responsible.
next question, okay. Who's more likely to ask to go to the pool? See, Daddy Roman. Really take a pool.
Why is that so?
I like to swim, to sit in a pool.
And for ate? And to see some chicks. Why do you also ask?
Yeah. Girls. Yeah.
Okay, so next question.
Okay.
Hello. Okay. Who's more likely to hoard takeout containers?
Hoarding si Daddy Roman. So next is who's more likely to start a sing-along? So kinsa man ang mga singer sa inyong duha? Si Lynette, of course, ang singer.
Oh, what's up?
Ang singer.
Singer
Slash dancer.
Sound some singer.
Kinsa man ang gamit ng microphone. Ay. Sige, next.
Who's more likely to fall asleep first?
Me?
Of course. Because I'm working.
Sige. So next, who's more likely to try to try a daring activity? Dili ako ah.
Both for Roman. Okay, so who's more likely to try a new and adventurous food?
Sige. So next question. Who's more likely to be the life of the party? I know, minsan siya ang life. Who's more likely to be the life of the party?
Life?
Yeah. Say both. Ikaw na lang. Kay very introvert man sila.
Yeah.
Okay, so next question is
How many questions more left?
four.
Four?
Four more. Okay, who's more likely to embarrass the other in public?
No. Okay, done.
Okay. So, who's more likely to win an argument?
Done. We do not argue. We do not fight.
We have very boring relationship. No fights, no arguments.
Okay, the little man. Kamu na ang no fights and arguments.
Okay.
Okay, so last question. Who's more likely to believe in ghosts?
Ghost.
Maybe the message fell.
Okay.
So that's a wrap. That's the wrap of our who's more likely questions. Thank you for cooperating, Daddy Roman. I know this is very hard for you. So proceeding to the next game.
Tigo sa kamot. Tigo sa kamot. Okay.
Next hand. Parang tayo, di ka kahinong Daddy Roman ha.
Tungod sa kaya sa right hand right guys.
Wait, no cheating, Daddy Roman ha. You close your eyes. Even though you have a blindfold. Okay, let's start for our first participant. So Daddy Romana, you guess our first lady. So guess the bride's hand. This is very random, huh? Sige, so first, you just feel the... Okay, ako na lang ma-assist. Okay, so hep hep. Are you ready? When you're ready, you say hep hep.
I'm good.
Okay, so the first woman you will choose, Kai, or you will feel the hand, it is... You touch your head. So what's your answer?
No.
No, you're correct. Okay. Sige, next. Next, right hand. Ay, you on blindfold.
Nag-close lagi siya sa iyo. Di ba na siya pumupuan?
Okay. No, okay. Napupupuno ako. The hand is a hand edema, right? Swelling. So it's not the left hand. Okay, next hand. He's nervous. No, I think no.
Can you ipapilin pa? Pass, say pass?
Okay, you can say pass if you weren't sure. Ay, no, okay, nagtingog ba siya? Right po ka. Okay, next hand. You can say pass if you're not sure, or you can repeat later.
Similar at least.
So you will say pass, or you will feel it later again.
It's very similar.
It's similar, so we'll just take a pass. You're not sure yet, you're not sure. Oh yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, let's take a pass. Pass ha, so napakaon niya. Okay, next hand. No, namuhupog gihapon ang kamot. Dili daw ka mao. Okay, next. Next hand. Okay, namuhupog gihapon ang kamot. Ano man yun? Is it swelling? The hand is swelling, the hand is what? Okay, next. Next hand. Diha lang ha?
No.
No. Patik mo naman kamot na. Wala ko nung kamot sa door. Sige, next hand.
No.
It's Eliza's hand. Okay, next hand. Unsa man? Ng hupong?
It's very similar.
Similar. Okay, you have two similar hands. Oh my God, you choose wisely because this will tell your marriage if you will get through all the trials in life. Okay, next. So okay, you feel both hands. Okay, so the other hand, the two hands are both clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean. Okay, you feel both hands. Okay, the first, the right hand is the other lady, and the left hand is the other lady also. You feel, ha? Only the tip lang, ha? No, the.
So what should I?
Okay, so you answer if right or left. The right hand or the left hand?
Wait.
Choose wisely because you will be the.
Wait. Just
Okay. You feel the. Yeah, another hand. Okay. Okay, the other hand. No! Oh my God, that hand is very pretty. Okay, so this is you choose the hand, the last one, the hand. And your other option also is this one. Okay, you choose if it's your right or your left. So I know that everyone, you choose always right. Give another hand? Okay. So give another hand. No. Okay. The two hands are your choice that are similar. So you choose the right hand now, okay? Okay, this one now.
Okay.
Last chance. You pick right or left.
Okay,
Kabahan ka na yun.
okay, let's take this.
Wait. Are you sure? Are you sure 100%?
No.
Ano ba nga?
Because I'm blind.
No,
I can't
if you're blind, you can feel your presence of your charot. Okay, so are you ready for your
Yes.
Oh, okay. So watch na. Ala, na-picture niya ang kamot ni Lynette. So, marriage mo. Sige. Ay! So, patingog ang bass, guys. Ay, dali naman. Have you heard that sign? When everyone's tingling their glasses, there is a... So, this means a Filipino culture that if you hear us tingling the glasses, we will kiss the bride. So, we are requesting a kiss from each other. So, yes. Last one, huh? Okay. Yay! Congratulations, Daddy Roman and Lynette.
Okay, girls, come here.
Okay, so this is the last part of the... Okay, so all the ladies and single moms. Ako, apiro ko. Sige.
Wala na ko apil.
Ay, ako ang labi. Okay, sige. Apil na tanan mga babae. Sige. So this will testify if kinsa ang sunod nga bride. Okay, sige, go guys, go ladies. Okay, sige, tama lang ha. Sige. Sige lang, apil lang rin. Okay, girls?
Are you ready?
Sige, so tuyo. Turn around guys. Sige, sagawi. Kiati. Okay, so the bride will cut our string. So kinsa ka ang sunod na bride? So we have a bride to be. Usually, go to first, pwede pa kasunod. Oh, ito na. Chinsa. Okay, isa na. Wait ha. Sige. Toyo ka sa. Ayaw sa gunting yan. Sige, natag two last women standing. So, kinsa ka sa ilaha ang sunod ni Kaslon. Na-pressure na ang duha. Okay, sige, ulit na ha. Sige, tuyok sa. May na mag-go net ha. May na mag-go. Hey, sayaw. Wait sa. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go! While waiting mahigos ang tanan, you can open some gifts, even though the Roman said that no gifts. Okay, so yeah, open some gifts, even though we know that you said no gifts. Okay, pictures.
Smallest and the biggest. Smallest as
So this is your token. Ikaw po nang sunod ni Bridal. Sige, hinihintay na yung open.
Dinner plates. Thank you, dinner plates. We can keep our plates and use that one. Next. Wishes to the newlywed from Murmur.
Christmas bonus.
It's a wine glass.
Okay, para mag-inom ka rin.
Because they always ask for wine glass. We don't have wine glass. Thank you.
Yeah. Use it carefully. Kapit na po.
From Silvio and Ayla.
Kapit na po na po. Cute! Hello! Hello, nice! May nanalo na. Nagsuga? Nagsuga? Nagsuga sa likod.
Best wishes, love, rain, Ryan, di siya patawag ng trainer daw. Filled with laughter, love, and all the little things that make life amazing. Wishes from Mel.